So we discuss. Welcome to my channel, Ajay Rock. We discuss modernism and postmodernism. Modernism is a major literary movement of the first part of the 20th century. The term postmodern literature is used to describe certain tendency in post-World War II literature. In the early 20th century, literary modernism developed in the English-speaking world due to a general sense of disillusionment with the Victorian era attitudes of certainty, conservatism, and belief in the idea of objective truth. The movement was influenced by the idea of Charles Darwin 1809 to 1882, 1809 to 80, 1882 on Origin of Species 1859, Ernest Mach, Henry Bergson, Friedrich Nietzsche, James G. Fraser, Karl Marx, Das Kapital 1867, and the psychoanalytic theories of Sigmund Freud. The art movement like Impressionism and later Cubism also provided inspiration for modernist writers. So, what we discuss modernism and postmodernism modernism after. Uh, so let's move on. Major literary precursor of modernism were Fyodor and Dostoevsky's Crime and Punishment 1866, Walt Whitman Leaves of Grass 1855, 1901, Charles Baudelaire and Rimbaud and Auguste Strindberg, the major writer of the modernist movement in the 20th century, are James Joyce, Samuel Beckett, T.S. Eliot, Ezra Pound, William Faulkner, Joseph Conrad, E.M. Foster, Dorothy Richardson, Virginia Woolf, and D.H. Lawrence. T.S. Eliot published some of his most notable poetic works, including The Wasteland, The Hollow Man, and Ash Wednesday in the 1930s, in addition to further major works by William Faulkner. As I Lay Dying Light in August, Samuel Beckett published his first major work, the novel Murphy, 1938, while in 1932 John Cowper Powys published a Glastonbury romance. In the postmodern period, several post-war developments in literature such as the theatre of absurd, the beat generation, and magic realism have significant role to play. The major literary figures of the period are Martin Heidegger, Jacques Derrida, Michel Foucault, Jean-Francois Lyotard, Frederick Jameson. The main theories that developed during postmodern period were structuralism, post-structuralism, deconstruction, third wave feminism, hyperreality, psychoanalytical theory, etc. The term theatre of the absurd is applied to plays written by primarily European playwrights that express the belief that human existence has no meaning or purpose, and therefore all communication break down. Logical construction and argument gives way to irrational and illogical speech, and to its ultimate conclusion, silence. The theatre of the absurd is generally seen as beginning in the 1950s with the plays of Samuel Beckett. Critic Martin Esslin coined the term in his 1960 essay, The Theatre of the Absurd. He related these plays based on a broad theme of absurd, similar to the way Albert Camus uses the term in his 1942 essay, The Myth of Sisyphus. The absurd in these plays takes the form of man's reaction to a world apparently without meaning and or man as a puppet controlled or menaced by invisible outside forces. These plays show broad comedy mixed with horrific or tragic images. Characters in the plays are caught in hopeless situations and are forced to do repetitive or meaningless action. Dialogue are full of cliches, wordplay, and nonsense. The plots are cyclical or absurdly expensive. Playwrights commonly associated with the theatre of absurd include Samuel Beckett 1906-1989, Eugene Ionesco 1909-1994, Jean Genet 1910 to 1906, Harold Pinter 1932-2008, Tom Stoppard B 1937, Alexander Windewski 1904-1941, Danny Combs 1905 to 1942, Frederick Dermack 1921 to 1990, Alessandro Jodorowsky 1921, Fernando Arrabal 1932, Václav Havel 1936 to 2011, and Edward Albee 1928. So we discuss every segment of periods of English literature, dark age to postmodernism. So we discuss in PGT all 17 authors, and also how in my last video we discussed William Shakespeare and many other authors we definitely talk about. So subscribe if you like my series of PGT, and lots of students who want to listen me and my channel. So thank you so much, and subscribe, like, and comment. Please share my video, and thank you so much.